everybody, welcome back to Bloom's Room. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a backflip at the trampoline park. Oh, hi guys. Gymnastics, books, arts. Welcome to Bloom's Room. Bloom's Room. Before we go to the trampoline park, we have to do some stretches. Follow me. First stretch is a back bend. We are going to put your arms to your ears like this. Make sure your arms are touching your head. Then you're going to lift yourself up, and you're going to come back down, and you're going to do 5 rocket rolls, which is the rocket rolls are you're going to tuck your knees like this, up to your nose. You're going to roll up. And you're going to roll back down. Roll up and roll back down. Once you have done 5, the second stretch is, this is the last stretch. This is called a straight split. You're going to straighten out your leg and you're going to put your nose to your knee. After you've done that, you're gonna put it out more. You're gonna try to go down all the way to right here to the bottom with your hips this way and your back foot straight. And that's how you do the last stretch. I'll see you guys at the trampoline park. I'll see you guys in a second. Bye. We are here at the trampoline park. You guys ready to go in? I love the trampoline park. It's my favorite. Watch me do some cool tricks. Easy. So the first step is to do a bridge. You have to spread your legs out like this. Next, you're going to lift your arms up and you're going to follow your hands back to the ground on the trampoline, whichever you are on. That's how you do your first step. After you do the bridge and you got the bridge down, you should be able to do a backflip like this.